This festive season, give your home a makeover gift. From kitchen to bathroom renovation, from furnitures to curtains, from lights to wooden flooring, end-to-end wall decor and home decor. One-stop decor solution. Visit soon at Asian Paints Beautiful Homes, Kedarmul, Bimal Kumar, Lakhiya Road, Shillong.
Monolith Festival 2024 began today in Khasi Heritage Village, Meghalaya, which was inaugurated by Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong. Organized by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, this festival aims to showcase and celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi community. Miss this opportunity to immerse yourself in the cultural richness of Meghalaya at the Monolith Festival 2024.
सिक्योरिटी पूरा कवर करके रख देता है तो प्रियम वन वन sini yuk pengen baduk
Diwandur kan ya cem laman selong.
But ia kani ka kot la ai kerteng hayu piam kabe on mother's lap but kijing ruai kan oi thia lullabies ka bangi la yo smo ka wei ne kijing ruai hak nei khlemat ikong amabel susngi Kinigan long kung kimau nam.
And I'm very sure the opportunity that you have to witness and to see the traditional and the rich culture that we have, you will carry along with you to your respective places. Kaway ka ba nga suotan?
Gaben, nado karyam gaben, dupot katem kasyaw karway. Hoy, hoy, hari lumba sunglay, ang inyik so na kajingin, ringkat de priyo taplay, jong kiway banom yapi. Hoy, hoy, Monolith Festival, hey! Monolith Festival, snemmar hajarar posaw, henriam upnar paywa, hey, 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 lari pitongin penpaw, hoy, hoy, kiktiang baper, akiriti baharupam, kawengin nyatali, kum si parangin yaburom, hoy, hoy, ya riam khala wachu ya riam khala tu hoi ani ka riam ti chuan hai ani ka riam ti chuan te ma da la ai la im nang ban chet wa tu lum bai hoi hoi Kasuk dangi persyang desa kau.
yang ukhnam panyala diala di na ke it kahima yala ka kor kajai pat ya kajai penrio ki pediang ya ukhau kum kadak ka bilkhu kado nala yeng lasam na ki kme ki hitman na ni para kan thai bakin yo ya ka jingjo ban e karni karyang tat hado pandawan phai shalai yeng
Tynsong ka jurawai ko sngok tunat. Menta ginyo
already spoken in the inaugural function, where we would like from the government side to make sure that the district council organizes this festival on a regular basis, annually basis. Maybe we can replicate the same way like done by the Nagaland government. We have seen it at Hornbill. So we would like to replicate that, and I'm very sure this. Here, I think we have more potentiality than Hornbill. So we would like to have the shared responsibility between the KHADC and also with the state government. Well, right now, I think about 80 stalls. 80 stalls means 80 communities are participating here, and then they'll be able to, number one, they'll be able to even market their their ideas. They are able to even market their their items, whatever they have, whatever they design or whatever they did themselves. So that also is the opportunity. And one is in terms, if you talk in terms of the financial benefit, maximum, I'm just telling you, it's maximum it goes to the people of the state as a whole, and especially these adjoining areas like Mawphlang. Mawphlang means they are earning a lot through this festival, and then not only Mawphlang, all adjoining areas, they are benefited out of this. Section of people, when they talk, they thought that this council is irrelevant. But let me just tell you one thing. It is very much relevant, and we are as we are today just because of these three councils. So, we have full protection out of the 6 schedule. That's why, even the state government, we cannot step into the 6 schedule. It is being, it's being interpreted in a way where the whole customary laws, the whole culture, the whole system that we have as a tribal lies now with the district council, where they have to only, polish it, and also strengthening is also required as per the provision of the 6th schedule. They can do that, and from government we are fully all out for that.
We spend all the infrastructure that you have seen here, especially these assets that we have, like building structures and all, but these have been spent long time back, and this year for this event we just asked state government to help us to renovate and repair through tourism department.
How much?
Yeah, the amount I have no idea, since tenders has been called by the state government, and we from our side we do appeal that people will come and visit tomorrow and day after in this event.
In fact, it is not our responsibility from the government side to to compare with the Hornbill. But what I'm trying to tell you, if you see the place, the location here, I think here is the best place I think people ever seen it. So as far as the organization is concerned, I would like to tell you again, from the government side we will just back them up, but all the details has to be done by the KHADC themselves, and they have done it so well, and I'm very sure in the years to come they will be able to do better, and we will be able to give the best.
Well, there's been criticism about the state government actually come, and we had a collaboration, and I think this is a good example that we should continue, and having a good relation with state government and center, it's a positive response for us, because just being like trying to do anything alone is not easy, like it's not possible, because we have very limited fund resources that we have. So sometimes we do need the support and help of the state government and as well as the central government. This will be not only a one-time event, but from now onwards, from this year itself, we'll call expert and we'll form a committee, and through this committee will resolve what is the best way to outsource this Khasi Heritage Village, so that people with professional that we have they will come and run this Khasi Heritage Village, and they will run it weekly, monthly, and whole year. And this will also not only to promote cultural tourism and help to know more about our culture, but also to generate employment and also generate and help to get more income in the livelihood of people around this area.
You are concerned for many years.
Yeah.
Why was it not taken care of?
See, I can't say that because our new executive committee was formed recently for almost 6-7 months. So in this present executive committee, we have initiated lots of work that are pending, that we will continue to complete these works and projects, even like the Khasi Traditional Medicine Institute in Lumsok Penang. Now we've already finalized everything, and this also we have a call for participation, like tender, those who are willing to outsource this institute and promote Khasi traditional medicine practices that we have. Even till today, we could recognize, like not officially, but our survey, we have got almost 1,200 local practitioners that we have in the Khasi community. So these also, I think, will benefit a lot from this institute, where we want this institute to be kind of wellness center, where people, if they want to take care of their health, who are health conscious, they could come there and stay there. And also those who don't want to stay also, they just come and take those herbs, medicinal properties